videoing?
Yeah.
Right, first thing to do is flick this fuse down. That cuts the power to this. Not completely, but enough so that we're working on it. You don't have to do it, but it's a fail-safe.
Yeah.
Undo these 2 screws or loosen them, okay?
Sorry, can I just have a look at the 2 screws in there?
Got it?
Okay. Okay. All right. Loosen them.
Loosen them.
Yeah.
I lost them on the floor probably.
Lost them on the floor.
So that comes off.
Yeah.
And this, there's two
prongs.
Prongs in the middle here. Squeeze them together and lift it out.
Okay.
And these 2 can go in a dishwasher.
Oh, okay. Or I can just rinse them.
Or you can just rinse them, but you want to dry them before you put them back together because it's electrics.
Oh, I see.
I would dry them. You'll probably you'll probably be okay. The pull cord is in here.
Yeah.
But you're working on just an automatic basis here.
Yeah.
So the other thing you need to do is give this inside here.
A wipe over.
Around here and around here, a wipe over. Okay. I would do this because it's in a kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's students in here. How often are they cooking, really? But if it was your kitchen and you were doing quite a lot of stovetop cooking, for example, I would clean this once a year.
Once a year, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
It's students, so you're not.
Yeah.
I mean, who knows? The good thing about it is, it's all whenever they're making steam in here, it's always coming on because it's picking up the sensors.
Okay. Okay.
The sensor is there, right? See it?
Okay, the green one.
Yeah, that little dot there is where the sensor is.
Okay.
It's working fine at the moment, so...
I can't see it at the moment. There's no green light.
No, it's not a light, it's a hole.
Oh!
That hole there, see it?
Right, okay.
Is the sensor, it's a hole.
Oh, I see.
The other side of that is a sensor.
It's just a hole.
And that's when the steam gets to it, it'll increase in speed.
Oh, okay.
So it's all on auto at the moment. So do you want to... Shall I leave it like this at the moment, and then you